Hello everybody, welcome to Mad's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe of the Sizzling Seafood Platter. It has many elements including fried rice, grilled vegetables, grilled fish, prawns and tomato sauce, and a sizzler sauce to go with it. The perfect dish for seafood lovers. Let's start with the fried rice. Take 1.5 cups of pre-boiled rice. Make sure you add a bit of salt when boiling the rice. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Add 1.5 teaspoon of chopped garlic and saute until it colorizes. Add in the mixed vegetables, including 1 tablespoon each of finely chopped carrots, beans, and spring onion greens, and a tablespoon of boiled sweet corn. Cook for a minute or two. Make sure you don't overcook. Add in salt to taste and a teaspoon of herb of your choice. The Chinese seasoning works best for this recipe. Mix well. Add in the rice and mix. Remove and keep aside. Next, prepare the grilled vegetables. Blanch 8 to 10 pieces of carrots, cut into batons, 3 to 4 pieces of broccoli, and 2 tablespoons of green peas in salted water. Remove them into iced water so that they retain their color and bite. Using the same pan you cooked the rice in, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add in 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and saute until it colorizes. Add in the blanched vegetables and half a cup of bell peppers cut into half-inch squares. Cook for a minute or two. Make sure you don't overcook. Add in 1 teaspoon light soy sauce and a teaspoon of herb of your choice. Make sure it is the same as the one you used in the rice. Mix well, remove and keep aside. To prepare the grilled fish, take about 200 grams of boneless fish cut into 2-inch square pieces. Marinate it with a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Leave it to marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the same pan you cooked the vegetables in. Add in a teaspoon of chopped garlic and saute until it changes color. Add in the fish pieces. Cook until done and light golden in color. Remove and keep aside. Next, prepare the grilled prawns in tomato sauce. Take 200 grams of medium prawns and marinate with a tablespoon of teriyaki sauce and half tablespoon of lemon juice. Marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Using the same pan and oil we used for the fish, add another tablespoon of olive oil, add the prawns and grill until almost cooked. Add in a teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon finely chopped onions, and 1 teaspoon of finely chopped capsicum. Cook until translucent. Add in 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato puree, and 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Mix until the prawns are well coated. You can add a bit of water if required. Check the salt. Remove and keep aside. Finally, prepare the sizzler sauce to go with it. Using the same pan you cooked the prawns in, Add in a tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow the butter to melt. Add in 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, and saute until they change color. Next, add 2 tablespoons of chopped onions and cook until translucent. Add in 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Next, add in a tablespoon of chopped green capsicum and 1 chopped green chili. Saute until the sauce is cooked. Remove and keep aside. To assemble the platter, heat the sizzler plate until red hot. Move it to its tray. Quickly arrange the cabbage leaves covering the base of the plate. Add the rice. Arrange the fish, prawns, the vegetables and the french fries as per your choice. Make sure you leave empty spaces for the sauce. Add the sauce to get that sizzle and finish it with small chunks of butter for more sizzle and flavor. Garnish with chopped spring onion greens. The sizzling seafood platter is ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.